Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2008 Toyota Camry, and this is a hybrid with the 2.4 motor. And so we're gonna show how you would check the brake fluid. So your brake fluid is right here, this reservoir. This is on the passenger side. Generally they're on the right, but because of the hybrid system, this one has been moved over to the passenger side. So we are checking our fluid levels here. We have a minimum and max. We are right at the max. And if you needed to add fluid, you would just twist this cap off, get the recommended fluid to put in here. The fluid type that goes in here is a .3. And so you would just fill it up and then put it back on and clip it into place. So that's how you check your brake fluid and add brake fluid on your 2008 Toyota Camry with a hybrid and a 2.4 motor. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.